and good evening to you all, depending on where you are viewing from and when this post came to you. Today, I'll be showing you how to write a good cover letter easily, how to apply for job, and how to craft your cover letter very fast using AI. So today we'll be looking at how to apply for job. Now, if you want to apply for a job, you go to my job here, then you search through the jobs. Yes, there are various jobs. Okay, let's take this first one for example. This video editing, you click on it. So this is the details of the job, everything. Now you can save it or you can apply easy. This apply easy is if you have already uploaded your CV, you can just click on submit application. That is if you already have your CV here, just like mine. My CV is here, but I don't want to use this. All I want to do is how to show you how to draft a resume in case you have not uploaded your CV there. So we'll use this app. Let me go through my bookmark. This Career AI. Now Career AI will use it to craft. We'll use it to craft our cover letter. Let's wait for it to open. Now you have to can generate your cover letter using AI. All you need to do is click on generate cover letter. Once you click on it, now this is what it's giving you what to do. Now this is the job description. You paste the job description here. We look search for a particular job, and this is the job description. All you need to do is just copy your job description, or copy it. When you copy the job description, then you come here, you paste it. When you paste the job description, you click on save job description. Now this is another box where you paste in your resume. Now you can go back to your home or to the home. You come back to your profile, then you copy your about here. You click on your about to copy all your resume, or better still, you can come here, you click here. When you click here, mistake. You click the resources. Yes, you click on resources here. Yes, this gives you your CV. Look at it here. This gives you your CV, or if you have already made CV elsewhere, for example, I have mine here. I have my CV here. All I need to do is copy it. This is my own CV in Microsoft Word. All I need to do is copy the CV. When I copy the CV, then I go back to that AI. I paste my CV. When I paste it, and I click on generate cover letter, then I wait for it. Now look at how it's generating the cover letter for me. Look at, can you see? Can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see? Good, good, good. It's generating the cover letter for me. See, all you need to do is copy this to Microsoft Word, then add minor information like the date, the employer name, the company name, address, and everything, and you are good to go. Now this has saved you a lot of time, a lot of time. So once you have copied it, you have edited it, then you go back to your jobs. Yes, you go back there, then you submit it, you upload it and submit it. Now if you find value in this video, please try this, comment below, follow and share it to those who need it. Thank you.